Jake, you look like you saw a ghost. Are you okay?
I am fine, just slightly embarrassed.
What happened?
My building manager asked me to introduce myself this morning. Easy, right? But I said, "My name is Jake, and I live on the, top floor of the second floor."
The top floor of the second floor?
I know.
So, what did the manager say?
He said, "Okay, so where exactly do you live?" And I said, just, "Yes."
That is not an answer, Jake.
I panicked. I just stood there, smiling like a lost tourist.
Hey, it is all right. Introducing yourself in English can feel scary, even if it is simple.
Exactly why we are here today. We will help you speak about yourself clearly. So relax, grab a drink, and speak with us.
Welcome to the English Speaking Show. Jake, do you know why people freeze when someone says, "Tell me about yourself"?
Because it feels like a small, simple question, but your brain suddenly thinks it is a job interview?
Exactly. And for many English learners, this question feels even bigger.
Yes, you want to sound clear, and you want to choose the right words.
But here is the truth. You only need a few simple sentences to make a great first impression.
And you will use these sentences everywhere. At school, at work, at the gym, meeting a new neighbor, or even talking to someone at a coffee shop.
When you can introduce yourself easily, you feel relaxed. You feel confident. Today, we will help you speak smoothly.
Let us start with step 1, your name and where you are from.
Okay, let us start with something very simple. Your name. Say, "My name is Jake."
No, Ella. My name is Jake. Your name is Ella.
Oh, right. Let me try that again. My name is Ella.
Much better.
Now say it with me. My name is Ella.
My name is Ella. Ella, I think it will be good if our viewers repeat with us.
Yes, when you say the words out loud, your brain remembers them faster. Everyone watching, now you try it. Say, "My name is," and then your own name. Your own name, please. Great. Now, let us add the next part. Say, "I am from," and then your country.
And let us show a very, very common mistake.
Many beginners say, "I from Mexico," or "I from Spain." This is wrong way.
The right way is I am from Mexico. I am from Spain.
Very simple. 3 words. I am from. From sounds like from. F-R-U-H-M. Very soft. Jake, say it with me first. I am from Canada.
I am from Canada.
Your turn, viewers. Say the sentence yourself. Excellent. Now you know 2 simple parts of your introduction. My name is. I am from.
And trust me, these 2 sentences already make you sound clear and confident.
Next, let us talk about your job or your studies. Okay, Jake. Let us pretend we are meeting for the first time. You walk into the room. You see me, and you want to say hello.
Okay, I walk in, and I say, "Hello, my name is Jake, and I uh, forgot my keys today."
Jake, why are you telling strangers about your keys?
I panic. My brain shares everything except my actual introduction.
It is okay. Let us try again. Simple this time. Hello, my name is Ella.
Hello, my name is Jake.
Great. Now the next part. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Very good. See? No lost keys needed.
Yes, this feels much better. Simple, warm, clear.
Now let us learn how to talk about your job or your studies.
Talk about job or studies. This is where many people get nervous, including me.
Let us start with a very common mistake. Many learners say, I am engineer.
Yes, that sounds like a superhero name. I am engineer. Coming soon to theaters.
But the correct way is simple. You need the word an. The right way is, I am an engineer.
Much better. And engineer can be hard to say, right?
Yes, we say it like this. Near. Engineer.
Engineer. Engineer.
Good. Now for people who are studying, you can say, I study at college or I study at university.
Ella, but what if someone studies online?
Very easy. Just say, I study online. Simple and clear. Let us practice one line together. I am an artist.
I am an artist. Wow, I am so talented.
Viewers, now you say it. Nice. Now you can talk about your job or your studies with confidence.
Very good. Next, let us talk about your family or the people you live with.
This part is always fun.
Yes. People love talking about their family or their pets.
We will keep it very simple. The main sentence you need is, I live with,
For example,
I live with my parents. I live with my friend. I live with my dog.
yes, my dog acts like he pays rent. Huh, but he does not.
Jake. Another useful sentence is, I have two brothers. I have one sister. I have two children. Many beginners say children. The word children sounds like children.
Children. That is easy.
Let us try one clear sentence. I live with my family.
I live with my family.
Viewers, now you say it. Good. This is all you need to talk about your family.
And now, let us talk about things you like and do not like.
Likes and dislikes show your personality, the things you enjoy or do not enjoy.
Yes, this is where people become very creative. Some say they like sunsets. Others like long naps.
Long naps are powerful, but we will keep the English very simple today. The sentence you need is, I like.
Here are some easy examples. I like reading. I like fruit. I like walking.
And here is a small phonetic hint. The word fruit, F-R-U-I-T, sounds like fruit, F-R-O-O-T.
Fruit. That is simple.
Now let us learn the opposite. I do not like.
All right, here is mine. I do not like waking up early.
That is not surprising, Jake. Many people do not like early mornings. Here is another phonetic hint. The word morning sounds like more-ning. Very smooth.
Morning. But I still do not like it.
Let us practice together. Say, I like fruit.
I like fruit.
Viewers, your turn now. Well done. Now you can clearly talk about what you enjoy and what you do not enjoy.
And next, we will talk about your hobbies, the things you love doing in your free time.
Talking about hobbies makes conversations more interesting.
Yes. I once met someone who said their hobby was collecting spoons.
Spoons?
Yes. They said every spoon has a story.
Jake, please, let us teach something simple. Dear viewers, you can start with, my hobby is, for example, my hobby is reading. My hobby is cooking. My hobby is drawing. The word hobby, H-O-B-B-Y, sounds like hobby, H-A-W-B-E-E. Very soft at the start.
Hobby. That is clear.
Another natural way to talk about hobbies is, I like to. For example, I like to swim. I like to travel. I like to paint.
I like to eat snacks. Does that count as a hobby?
Only if you do it professionally, Jake.
In that case, I am an expert.
Jake, let us practice one simple sentence together. My hobby is reading.
My hobby is reading.
Viewers, now try it. Wonderful! Now you can confidently talk about what you enjoy doing in your free time.
And next, we will help you put everything together in one short introduction.
Now we will practice speaking together, one line at a time. Each line will follow the same rhythm. First me, then Jake, and then you. Let us begin with your name. Repeat after me. My name is...
My name is Jake.
Your turn, friends. Good. Now let us talk about where you are from. Repeat after me. I am from...
I am from the United States.
Now you say it. Now let us add your job or your studies. Repeat after me. I am a... or I study at...
I am a teacher.
Dear viewers, speak now. Now let us talk about the people you live with. Repeat after me. I live with...
I live with my family.
Your turn. Now let us talk about something you enjoy. Repeat after me. I like...
I like traveling.
Friends, say it now. And now, your hobby. Repeat after me. My hobby is...
My hobby is cooking.
Now you say it. Well done. You have now spoken all the key lines of your introduction. You did a great job practicing each line with us. Now we want to show you how everything sounds when it is all together.
Yes, we will give you 2 complete examples, just like real introductions in everyday life.
Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the pauses. And notice how simple the sentences are.
Ella, what is this rhythm?
Rhythm means how the words move. A little slow, a little fast, with small pauses.
Oh, I see. Like the beat of speaking.
Yes,
This is just a friendly introduction, like meeting someone new. Ella, why do not you start first?
sure, Jake. Hi, my name is Ella. I am from Boston in the United States. I am an English teacher. I live with my younger sister. I like morning walks. My hobby is reading mystery books.
That sounded very calm and clear, Ella.
Thank you, Jake. Now it is your turn.
My name is Jake.
I am from Chicago in the United States. I am a software designer. I live with my family and my dog. I like learning new recipes. My hobby is cooking on weekends.
Very natural and very friendly. Anyone listening would understand you clearly.
And your introduction can sound like this too: simple, slow, and confident. And now, let us finish with our final challenge.
Hello, learners. That was a great practice session. You spoke with us slowly, clearly, confidently.
Yes, you tried new sentences, fixed your pronunciation, and stayed with us till the end. That means a lot.
Everyone watching, you did amazing work today. We are really proud of your effort.
Speaking a new language takes courage, and you showed that courage today.
Before we say goodbye, we have a small challenge for you. In the comments below, write your own short introduction using the simple lines from today.
You can follow this pattern. My name is, I am from, I am a, or I study at, I live with, I like, my hobby is.
And if you enjoyed learning with us today, please support our show.
Tap like, click subscribe, and share this video with someone who is learning English.
Your support helps us reach more learners and create more helpful episodes for you.
All right. Thank you for spending time with us.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Take care.
We will see you in the next episode of the English Speaking Show.